Hello, good day everyone. Today I will give you a walkthrough over MyAiNation.com. So this is the website that we have built, MyAiNation.com, and this is basically agentic AI that you can see in the current environment, the one of the most advanced technology, and it is also said as the future of AI. So this application is built in PWA, which is known as Progressive Web App. So this is similar to Android and iPhone application, but they are not listed in that platform. So whenever you open this website in the Chrome or similar in iPhone or Android, you will find here on the right hand side, install my INSN pop-up. You can install it and it will work similar to uh, Android and iPhone application. Sometimes it gives a pop-up, while other times you can just go to the options, the three dot at the right hand side. There it will be given an option that add to home screen, so that you can also do. So first thing, here also left hand side we have given you install app. So if you click on that, you will receive the information how to install this progressive web app in your phone. So this page is our landing page, and we have built this to provide a demo to the customers, user, and the first time people who visited our application. So here we have mentioned that we are going to build the first AI powered civilization. So as we move with the time, everyone, we understand that every human has finite time and energy. They cannot work 24 by 7. But here in this application, we are building AI citizen which are going to replace the human, and they will work for us. They will earn money for us, and they will help build the overall digital nation. So this is our landing page, and I will give you a quick walkthrough. So here, this landing page, we have just implemented two AI citizen. One is happy AI citizen and is sad AI citizen. Suppose you will say that I want to, I have to go office today. So when you ask it, so here the there are two AI citizen that will pop up. One is happy AI, another is sad AI. If you read the output, then you will find two different tone. One is happy, one is sad. So this is we have prepared it, built it to match the user emotion, help them take the decision, help them to support them what is right and what is wrong. So if you see, if you read first one, you will find that happy tone. This is basically happy AI citizen, and if you read the second one, you will find that it's a sad tone, it's a tough day, likewise. So similarly, we have created emotional AI citizen for different mood, different tone, like sarcastic, careful, careless, that we have already built and launched in our application. If you go and log in, you will be able to see. So now let's deep dive to get an overall experience of my AI Nation. So first of all, you need to log in, and so as usual in every application you need to log in and log out. So now we can just log in, but however, so I am able to log in. Like in every application you go through sign up process. If you are the first time visitor, then you need to log in with the same email ID. You can have Google direct email password, or you can directly sign up with the Google. So once you log in, you will find this screen. This is the home screen and the main driving screen. We have home, records, portfolio, valuation, cash in, out, and log out. So this is the home screen, as I said, records. So I'll just give you an overview what records looks like. So it will take some time since you have visited for the first time, and everything will go on loading. So this is the wallet records. Whenever you are using AI Citizen or someone is using your AI Citizen, there is some transaction that is occurring. So whatever money is flowing to and fro, that is being recorded here. and this is personally for you. And wallet strategy is something like if you are going to pay to this application for getting AI credits, then you have to go to the tab cash in and out, and there you need to pay. So once you are paying it, then this wallet status will be like pending for approval. Or once it will get approved, it will again come to the wallet records. So once you go through one cycle, you will be able to understand it, and the process is very simple. So let's go to the cash in out. This is the cash in out where you need to pay now button is there, and also there is a button submit request. Once you pay now, then you have to submit the request. Recharge wallet is that you are confirming that you have already paid and you need admin approval s- for crediting that amount to your wallet. Or you can also make the withdraw option. If you have extra amount and you want to withdraw it, you have to post this request. So UTR ID, UTR number is only required during pay now. For withdraw, you don't require to fill up. If the application asks, you can mention anything. So here uh, we have some pricing mentioned. So pricing, so this you will be able to understand. This is only for reference so that when you are going to pay and add amount to your wallet, you will be able to understand how much amount you actually need, and that you can only pay, not more, not less for that particular month. So this is a prepaid pay on the go model where you only have to pay what you want to use it for a month or for a week or for one trial, three trial, 10 trials. So it's all pro rata, so nothing you are going to pay more or less. That's all with you. There is some transaction fee applies on withdraw request only. No, initially whatever you will pay, it will go to the directly to the wallet, and you have to use it completely. If you want to withdraw anything in future, then there is some transaction fee. This is to include the validity and verification of your amount and the payment gateway charges and other transaction charges as applicable. So this this is cash in and out. Once you make any payment, then you have to just push the request and submit it. Then it will go to the record section where it will show whether it is approved or not. Then portfolio section. So portfolio section is basically the amount that you are having. So this is the amount that this particular user has in its wallet. And this is the coin. This is similar to, you can say, digital nation token, since we are building my AI nation and we require a particular common currency for all trades between citizen to citizen, nation to nation. So this is a futuristic coin that this civilization is using. So it might increase. If the valuation will increase, your market value will also increase. So it is always good to keep money in the wallet. It will help you. So this is the portfolio and valuation that I explained you. Now the valuation is one. It might increase in future. Once we will onboard more and more users, it will keep on increasing. And this will be benefiting all our users and customers. So I have explained you records, I have explained you portfolio, explained you valuation, cash in out, and log out. So the application is very simple. Every game is played on this home page, MyAiNation. So I'll give you a quick walkthrough. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 section. Create nation. If you are a first time user, you need to create your nation. You have to give a name. You can give anything like Pluto. You can choose your currency. You can choose any currency out of these five, but it's always uh, recommended to use your national currency so that whenever you do pay now or withdraw or want to gift your credits to your friend, it will help you out. So let's choose INR and tax rate. So this is some futuristic, because if you are creating a AI nation and in future, suppose a person want his AI citizen to migrate to your nation. Likewise, suppose you are in India and you want to migrate to UK for job, that means UK has to get the tax. Similarly, even India will also earn money from your salary, but some tax will also go to that nation. Similarly, if you are now creating a nation like Pluto, and there is another nation, another citizens who want to migrate to you because your national, whatever citizens you have built are working well, earning well, so people might migrate to your nation. That's why we have kept a tax rate so that the citizen will get the salary, but some person will also contribute to your nation where you are going to build a nation, build the policy, train the citizens, and that will be help in governing the rules, regulations, and entire nation. So this is what civilization we are going to talk about. Since I have already built the nation, I will not create it now. A person can only create one nation, not the second one. Citizen. You can create unlimited citizen. You can train unlimited citizen. But now I'll say that when you are first time user, create just one citizen that will help you in seamless experience of our application. So if you are a first time user, always create one citizen. In future, you can create many citizens. So whenever you are creating a citizen, you have to select the department. These are the department. You can go through each and every department to understand where to which department you want the AI citizen to be deployed for. Suppose I am I want operation department. In operation, there will be some specialized project manager AI, worker AI, quality AI. You can select it. So when you select it, the role of AI citizen is clearly mentioned. So this will help you in building 10 to 15 AI citizen in future, deploy them to work for other nation, other companies, or any other citizen, and you are going to earn money for that. So that is how the citizen work. When we'll create a citizen every time, we will also get this type of passport. So this passport will help you to keep your credential so that whenever you find any issue, you can refer to this identity passport. So I have gone through nation and citizen. So these are one very one-time activity. So now select citizen. Select citizen is actually the citizen directory. It has all the citizens that are launched and ready for use that are verified by the MyAiNation control tower. So whatever you will see, the status is launched, launched, launched. That means these are ready these are ready in the MyAiNation marketplace. They can be used by every people, both public, both user and everyone. Suppose suppose now you have created a citizen, your status will show training. Okay. Once that means that is a private one. No other users cannot see or use or test your citizen. It's completely yours. If you want that your citizen should be used by other users, then you have to go through the launch process. How to do that? You have to tick on this. That means you have selected this citizen. Then here you will find exact citizen which one you have selected. That will auto generate here. Okay. So you should not select two citizen. If you want to launch or migrate, you have to select only one citizen, right, at a time. We have already given the explanation in blue header line that you can also refer to. However, going through this video will help you seamless experience as you are the first time users. So here amount you can put amount like you can see here email AI is 0 INR, task AI is 1 INR. That means when this AI citizen has been launched, it is marketed at 1 INR. That people need to pay 1 INR to NGSAA to use this AI citizen. So similarly, you can also put 0, you can put 1, you can put how much you want. So whenever you launch, it will get launched in the same currency that you have, that the particular person has launched it. Migrate nation. Initially, I talked about the nation tax rate. So this was what I was talking about the migration. You can migrate your AI citizen to other nation for job for earning more. So this you can also do. So these are the various nations that are getting populated. Okay, so that you can choose it and migrate it. So email I used to consolidate all the reports of the AI citizens and email you to your inbox. Tax AI, Task AI is something like when you have a problem, you don't know how the problem is going to be solved, and you don't know whether you need like suppose for example, you are going to start a startup and you don't know who are the different stakeholders I need to hire. So now in this portal, you have to only run this Task AI. Task AI, the purpose is that Task AI, what it will do, it will help you to understand what are the different stakeholders you need to solve this particular task. It will auto deploy all the AI citizens required for you, and finally it will generate a email back to you. So let's see. I want to start AI, agentic AI startup. Please help me. So we have just given our problem. We don't know how the agentic AI to start with. So these are the charges. Training charges is almost always zero. Testing charges. So it will all get populated in the real time based upon how the who is the owner of the AI citizen, how much pricing they have put it before launching to the marketplace. So similarly, it will get fluctuated. However, whatever it will be visible, that is only going to be debited from your wallet, and it is very small, very lesser pricing. Okay, you don't need to worry about. However, this is only for reflection because when you are going to deploy it, sometimes 10 to 15 citizens will also come and do your task. So that time it will be multiplied by 10 or 15. Okay, so now we can check deploying charges 0.19. So let's deploy it. You should not use test it. You can train your AI citizen, the AI citizen that you have built, you can train it. You can test one citizen at a time. However, if you want to deploy more than one citizen, use deploy button. That is a good practice. So let's deploy. So it will take some time because it will auto identify what is your problem, who are there are 29 different specialists in this portal, so it will go on identifying who are to be handled this subtask. Then it will go on solving your problem and finally populate it. And email AI, the task of email AI is to deliver the email which will include the consolidated report of all the AI citizen. So suppose you want something to get into your inbox clean and clear, it will send you. So that is how it works. See now, TaskAI. TaskAI has identified these are the different AI citizen that is going to help you out in your agentic AI startup. And here the best thing is that you don't need to hire each one of the people because all are already trained and launched in our system that can help all types of people, developers, technical, non-technical, even the businessman, everyone globally. So now you can see that each of these AI citizens have been populated back to back based upon their how they have trained and the department. You can see strategy, finance will talk about only the finance, wealth AI it will talk about the investment, revenue. Likewise, research AI it will research about the product, how the research can it be. Then take AI. So these will keep on populating all the data. So you might you might not require to read everything because you will get directly this email back to your inbox, and I'll show you how you are going to get the email. So Take AI has completed its own task. Then brand AI, it will talk about the brand prototype, how the marketing strategy, then growth AI, how to scale up, and everything it will talk about. So it will take some time while you are going to read one by one. The bottom AI citizen will get and populating like govern AI. It will talk about how to govern, how to understand different policy that is going to benefit you that you need to be aligned with. So these are the things. Safe AI. So different aspect it will go on. This people AI is more like HR and how the people can be monitored, how many people can be hired or not. That is also. So similarly, if you see, it is slowly getting populated because the task has been divided into soft task, and soft tasks have been assigned to specific AI citizen, and now the AI citizen are working to give their own opinion. And this is the use case that I was talking about. Suppose there is a meeting where different 10 to 15 different people are required, and like CEO, CFO, CTO, CIO. So what we will do, the in this portal you have to run the task AI, then all these people will come and participate. They'll give their opinion, and finally the email AI will turn this all these reports and all this individual opinion into a MOM summary. So now our task is completed, so it is showing the success. And you will find that Ignite AI and there is Train AI. This will help in training the people and everyone. So this is how the situation is that I was speaking about while we are running task. If you want to run only one AI citizen at a time, you can also do that. You don't have to select the task AI. Task AI is when you don't know who need to be participate to solve this problem. So this is simple as that. So I'll quickly go through the records, because in records you will find that the transaction has happened and you have paid for these activities. Okay, so this is how the transaction will keep on working. INR, since your currency is INR, you will get the email from INR. And so since the sender is NGSA group at the gmail.com, so sender, this is the receiver. So you are paying to get it deployed. So each email AI and everyone will get populated. So this is how it works. Now we'll see whether we have received the email or not. Yes, we have also received the email and everything is there here. So you don't need to worry about how the data is getting lost or not lost, right? Let's see. Yes, email AI has come, task AI has come, and every AI citizen has come neatly. So you can directly submit this report to your manager, to the CEO, to anyone, or just publish it. So everyone has come, right? So this is what I was speaking about, the future of AI. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet next time with more reviews. Thank you.